Okay, with a high hip, in this case, Sam has a left high hip. You can see here the gap between the hip and the pelvis and the rib cage is less than here. Oftentimes that can be as a result of injury on the left side. Former injury, whether it be an ankle sprain, a fractured leg, bad knee, something where when you walk you compensate for the pain, and your body does that
automatically.
Yep, and things tighten over this over time. So what we need to do eventually is get this stretched out and even.
Help lower the hip.
Yep, get this back down where it belongs. Right. So that's what we're going to show you.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, so the high hip being the left side, we're going to, hopefully this works as far as your height. We're going to use the door frame, the trim. I'm going to grab it on this side, but it would be here. Okay, make sure you got solid trim. If it's not safe, don't do it. And then we're just going to, not going to put all your body weight through it, just stretch and allow it and feel. You can see the tightness of my clothing stretch while my tissue and my muscles are doing the same thing underneath. And we're just going to relax and hold it. It should feel like a good stretch. And then take it off. And go ahead and do it again. How many times, Bob?
Maybe 3.
3 times. The first time you do it throughout the day, yep.
Yeah.
So every time you walk through the doorway,
right,
you might want to stop and give it a stretch.
Got it. Perfect, Brad.
Yep. All right. Very good. All right. The second alternative is you can take a stick, a broomstick, or a booyah stick. You're going to put it off to your side on the floor. Bring this hand up so you're looking at the back of your hand. You're facing it away. Grab the stick, and we're going to lean and feel a stretch on the tight side. Okay, we were talking left before, so actually I'd be doing it over here. I think you can see it better here. It's the same mechanics either side. And stretch.
So you can use a PVC pipe.
Yep, PVC pipe. The big thing is it has to stick to the floor. If you got a smooth floor and it's slipping, simply put a shoe down and put the end of the stick inside the heel of the shoe. That works good for a nice gripper.
And when you got the booyah stick, you could say booyah.
Oh, yeah, booyah! Oh, I wanted to do the double bearing. Anyways, let's go on to the next one before I embarrass myself more. Now, another alternative, if you don't have a stick, you can still do this. It's not as intense of a stretch, but if this is the tight side, you're reaching up, like you're reaching for that apple you can hardly reach, and then
shift over.
Yep, shift the weight over, feel that stretch. And remember, you need to relax with this.
And stretch.
There you go. Sing away, Bob.
The sky.
Yeah, that's enough, Bob. We want to keep these people for the next one. All right, now this next one, the first time I saw it, I thought it's a little unusual.
Strange.
But Rick Olderman, therapist, has been doing this for years with patients with good success. You're going to take this arm up, and just like we did in the seated position, reach up like that, and you're going to walk around like this. Now, you're probably not going to walk around like this downtown, shopping in the grocery store, but in your house or wherever you can, and you walk it for a reasonable distance, and you should feel that relief there.
What do you want?
What?
Raise your hand.
Yeah. Now, the other option is if you don't have the right door height, like we mentioned before, you can
you're short.
Yep, you can get a hanging handle and put it in, attach it to the wall anywhere you want so it fits your height. And I'm just going to do this. So this is a little short for me, but it's okay. It doesn't really matter because I still get a nice stretch, and I can go up against the wall, which is nice because it allows me to vary the resistance in a very controlled manner as opposed to just dangling there.
So beautiful, bad.
Yeah. Oh, feels good too, Bob. I'm going to do the other arm, otherwise I'm not crooked. I don't have a short hip. So
you can
turn the camera off. I'm going to finish up here.
Okay. See ya.